How to add product tags on Facebook Marketplace. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in a super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments or just leave a like. So then I actually know this video helped you out. So what you want to do is simply go to the menu, then to your Facebook Marketplace. Here in the top left corner, you want to click on Sell, and we want to create a listing. So I'm going to click on there. Then for now, I'm just simply going to select an item. So here we can add photos, title, price, category, condition, description, and as well as your location at the bottom. Now, if you scroll all the way down, then we can actually see additional listing options. That's actually where you want to click on. And then here we can see the same thing again. But if you scroll a little bit down, then right over here, we can actually see under our location, we can see tags. So then we can actually add tags. So the limit is 20 tags, but you can just pretty much add anything what you like. So I'm going to just add a couple. So I just added 2 tags, book and reading. Let's say you're selling a book, then you can add those tags to your listing. So that is pretty much it. That's how to add product tags on Facebook Marketplace.